Hi, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install OEM Fit radio for a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. That's the latest version that we have. It's based on Android. So basically you can have your favorite apps here and it's super fast. As you can see, it's really smooth. And it comes with offline map, online map. You can use Google Maps or you can use offline maps. That's the radio. It's fully compatible with the steering wheel of the car. And also backup camera. When you go to reverse, it shows the back of the car with the parking guidelines. You can play CD DVD from there. Also you can play USB video or music from the two USB ports that we add to the original screen. And also we did the remote starter for the car, so by pressing 3 times lock it would start the car. After 30 seconds, if you press lock for 3 times, it's gonna shut off the car. If you're interested to get this type of Android devices, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.